it has to be higher.
Yeah.
No other option. Definitely. Then from right back, Timber, definitely. No another person. 5 and 6 is there already, framed, confirmed. Saliba and Gabriel, they're there. Now, that 3 is my problem. For me, nothing is still stopping Luskelly to start that match. Nothing. But due to Arteta that we know, my coach that call himself is coach.
Do your own.
So
I'll put Kelly. You put Kelly.
Luskelly for that right back. Then midfield, I have Partey, I have Rice, and I have Odegaard. Even though Odegaard is still out of form, I have nobody that's creating for me.
Yeah.
For me, I have nobody that's creating for me. So it has to be Rice, Partey, then Odegaard. Then up front, Martinelli, Trossard, then Jesus.
I don't want Havertz.
When there is